Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by cutting the guesswork. Power cycle the modem and router now and watch for stable LEDs. Once done, swap in a known good Ethernet cable and plug directly from modem to your computer to bypass switches. Make sure your computer is set to obtain an IP automatically if you normally use DHCP. If you use a static IP, have that address, gateway, and DNS handy. These steps eliminate the most common external variables quickly so you can isolate the problem. Next, confirm the link. Look for the NIC light and router port indicator. A steady green usually means physical connection, while amber can indicate speed mismatch. Then run ipconfig or ifconfig to read your IP, subnet, gateway, and DNS. Make sure the gateway is on the same subnet. Once you see an IP, ping the gateway to prove local reachability. If pings fail, disable local firewall rules and any VPN temporarily, so they are not masking a simple routing or ARP issue. Finally, renew your DHCP lease or set a tested static IP on the same subnet and retry pings and DNS lookups to confirm internet access. Make sure NIC drivers are current and check speed and duplex settings. Auto-negotiation usually works best. Force settings only as a last resort. If you still lack connectivity, move the cable to another router port or use a different switch or USB Ethernet adapter to rule out a bad port. Tip: if intermittent, run continuous pings while swapping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.